Hi, it's Adrian. How are you doing? And so I'm back after having this makeup on for about 9.5 hours, and I was doing a little experiment, not only with my powders, but with a couple of the products that have been packed away for 3 months that I couldn't get to. So I thought I'd go ahead and tell you what I have on. I started with the Lumi Glotion, and this one's by L'Oreal. It's shade 902. And then I put on a really thin coat of the Glossier foundation. I have mine in shade 4. It's a little bit dark for me this time of year, but what I wanted to do was go ahead and test two of my powders and see how they worked having them on all day. So I did that all day. And as far as what I went ahead and did, don't know where stuff is here yet. I just moved and everything's sort of here, there, and everywhere. But I got the shelves up, and that was really important for me. Did go ahead and use a Morphe, and I used all three colors here of their blush trio, which is in Beach Bonfire. So this is what I went ahead and used there. And then as far as my highlighter today, I did go ahead and use my favorite one, which is the Royal Highlighter from the Bridgerton collection. And this is the NYX highlighter, and I really like it as well. And as you can see, a lot of my makeup has worn off and everything, but what I wanted to do today was to go ahead and put the Morphe, and I have the Dawn here, is the powder that I'm using. So I went ahead and used this on one side, and then I went ahead and used the Hourglass on the other side, and I went ahead and used this one. So yeah, there we go. Okay, so I have Hourglass on this side, and I have Morphe on this side, and they both have that inner glow kind of thing going on, but I'm finding that this powder blurs more, especially when you're talking about fine lines like I have across my forehead and everything, and they blend. This goes ahead and blurs that a lot better than the Morphe does, but they both have a really pretty glow, like a glow from within, so they're both very pretty. As far as what I went ahead and did for the lips, well, I got a blue one, a blue lip liner, and so I decided to see if it looked at all good. I've never used a blue eyeliner for anything other than, you know, Halloween and that kind of thing. So I did that, and then I wanted to go ahead and grab one of the, what are they here? Yeah, problem is I put everything away, so now I can't find it. So now I filled in, and I have some of the e.l.f., and this is a lip gloss, and this one's in Papaya. And I thought we'd go ahead and put it on top and see what it looks like here. So this is the lip look. It's a glossy blue lip, and it will probably stay for a while. I should test that out, shouldn't I? I found the Lash Without Limits and also the Make Me Brow by Essence. So those two have become staples, and I just found my NYX, my glitter glue. And I definitely have some glitter fallout, but this is wonderful stuff. I had it packed away, so I couldn't use it again either. As far as what the eyeshadow is, I did go ahead and use the Solmane 2 by Oden. And as far as what I did here, was I went ahead and started with this on the lid, and then I did this one right above the lid. I put some of the really pretty light gold right from the corner up to about here, and then I did go ahead and put the dark gold right under the brow. So it is a very, very blue look, and I had forgotten how really vibrant these colors are, but it's a beautiful palette, and definitely would definitely go ahead and recommend. I've had it for a little while now, and as far as anything else, again, I was just really wanting to go ahead and try out the Morphe and the Hourglass and see what the real differences were during the day. So again, you know, tell me what you think. Leave a comment. This is after 9.5 hours, and I appreciate your time, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.